To adjust your humidity levels in winter months, tap the Menu button and scroll down to find Humidification. Tap once to open the menu and make changes. The Help button on the home screen will guide you through how each setting works. In the winter, set your humidity at 35% to stay warmer on the coldest days. Your system's ability to reach this level will depend on the outdoor temperature. And you're set. Tap the box marked Done and then Home to return to the home screen. Your home's current humidity level is noted on the screen right here. New settings can take up to 7 days to update. For more tips on keeping your home comfortable, visit our website anytime.